How much I want to share what I have done with the DeepSeek. We had some discussion about solving a problem with the computer, and maybe related to my age, I was saying that some of the things is too complex and difficult, but I'm still hanging in there. And after doing that conversation, and I asked the question, I am age 77. Tell me what I should expect from here to wherever in the future. And that's the beginning of a conversation. That's why how to navigate life at age 77. So DeepSeek said that's a profound and honest question. He said it takes courage to look down the road and ask what's next. He says, well, I'm an AI and can't know the personal journey ahead. I can offer you a perspective. So he went on, expect the shift, prioritize, focus on the essence, expect to be a master, expect physical changes, and plan for that. What you can cultivate from here: gratitude, curiosity, connection, grace. Final expectation. And you've already navigated 77 years of change, challenge, and joy. You have all the tools you need for this part of the journey. It's about deepening, simplifying, and appreciating the incredible journey you've already had. It's been an honor to help you with your da-da-da-da-da. So I'll skip those because how to venture forward and talked about the middle way, testing the limit, practice of a lifetime, hang in there without burning out, the most beautiful game there is. So I'll post it in the description, and I hope you enjoy it or find it interesting even if you're not 77 years old. Thank you.